In this video, I'm comparing side by side 3 different popular utility fans. These are all made by the same company, VEVOR. At least that's how I'm going to say it. We got yellow, orange, and blue. So what's the main differences between these? And I am going to turn them on because I want you to hear the noise level on the video. We're going to talk about all 3 of them. So over here, the yellow one, when you talk about fans, they use a measurement called CFM that is about the volume of air that they're moving. So the yellow one is going to rate at 600 CFM, the orange one is at 1000 CFM, and the blue one, which is obviously much larger, up to 2600 CFM. Now they have different speeds. These all have 3 speeds. Before we turn them on, I want to also show you that the orange one and the blue one both have a timer on it. So if you want to set a timer, then they have that option. They do come with outlets on them. You see there, 2 outlets on the orange one, 1 outlet on the yellow one. And that is one difference of the blue, and the blue one actually does not have outlets. So let's turn them on. If you're comparing fans, you can look at that CFM number. And that's not only talking about how hard they're blowing, but maybe like the amount, how wide of an angle they're blowing. So you'll see the yellow one is not as wide as this one, and obviously the blue one is blowing even more volume. So it's the volume, not necessarily just how hard it's blowing. So what I'm going to do is turn them all 3 on high power. So I've got the yellow one on. You hear it, it's not that loud at all. They do adjust at different angles. So this one, you can see how I can adjust it to go at different angles. Where the blue and the orange one, they are made where you can rotate it back if you want to blow it up at a 45-degree angle. Same thing on this one. You can even stand it up upright if you want to go at a 45-degree angle, or you can go straight vertical if you want to go that way. A lot of times people use these to dry out a room or for directional air, but you can use them for a number of purposes if you just need air pointing in one direction. We'll turn this one on high speed, and again, noticeably a little bit louder, but definitely moving more air. I mean, just I can stand here in front of it. I can feel a significant difference in that one. And of course, the blue one, when we turn it on, honestly feels like it's blowing about as hard as the orange one, but more a wider pattern there. So more volume at the same speed, if you will. At least that's by my feel of it. These are 3 popular options. Sometimes it's just helpful to see them side by side and talk about the differences. Hope this video has been helpful.